All right. So, um, what we are looking at is using this formula to solve this question. So this is 1 over a plus 1 over b plus 1 over c. What we know so far, the one that is clear, if you read this question, three workers. So we can change this our own way, which is which is a, b, c, and it's clear that one of them can do it in 35 days, 1 over 35. Another one can do it 15 days less, which is 1 over 20. Then efficiency is the efficiency of time. Yes, the efficiency of time. Let's say that the person works only 75%, that is 0.75 T of what he or she is supposed to have work. Now, we have set up this properly now. Remember that 1 over T is the same thing as 1 over 6. When we do the next line, we will include it, which is something like 1 over 6 equals 1 over 35 plus 1 over 20 plus, then 75 is 3 over 4. So 4 is dividing. Because 4 is dividing, it will go up. Because so 4 is divided. Remember, if it's confusing, think about it this way: that 1 over 3 over 4, which is the same thing as 1 divided by 3 over 4. 3 over 4, remember, is the same thing as 1 times 4 over 3. We turn this to multiplication. So that's how the 4 comes up. 4 over 30. The next one is, what is the LCM of hmm, 6, 35, 20, and 30? Let's focus on 35, which is the highest number here, and start looking for the multiples of 35 that both 20 and 6 can divide. All the multiples of 35 that 20 can divide, uh, their unit digit is 0. That is, like 35, 70 is a multiple, 105 is a multiple. But there is nowhere a number that doesn't end with 0, that 20 can divide it. So let's quickly check the multiples of 35, since it's the highest number ever. So we start writing something like 35. Well, so 35 will not work. What will work is 70. So let's instead take the multiples of 70. 20 cannot divide 70. 6 cannot divide it. 140. 20 can divide it, but 6 can. Yeah, it can go, but it's 140 can go. Yes. 20 can divide 140, but 6 cannot. So let's move to 210. Now, 6 can divide 210, but 20 cannot go. So let's move to 28. 20 can go, but 20 can go, yes, but 6 cannot go. Let's move to 28 plus 70. 28 plus 70 is 350. 3 plus 5. Neither 20 nor 2 can go. Then 420. 20 can go and 6 can go. And this is also the smallest. So we use it. But remember, because we have t, it's going to be 420t. The whole idea is to clear this fraction. Clearing this fraction means, so we add t here. 420t divided by 6 is going to give us 70. Remember that 7 times 6 is 2. So this is going to give us 70. It also means that 420 divided by 70 If 420 divided by 7 is, then 35 divided by 420, 420 divided by 35 will give us double of that. So that will give us 12t. Remember that they are actually dividing 422. Here is plus 420 divided by 20. Remember, we are focusing on 42 divided by 2, which is 21. 0 cancels 0. So this is 21t. 420. Remember, when 6 divided by 420, we got 70. So if 3 is going to divide it, it's going to give us 140. The 140 times 4, that is 14 plus 14 plus 14, which is 56. So when we add the other 0, it becomes 560. What happens to the 2? It will be divided by this 2. It will go. Now let's collect like 10. 12 plus 21 is 33. 70 minus 33 we give us 37t. 37t equals 560. T equals, so t equals 560 over 37. And so we have that option there. Okay, so let's move to the next question. Yeah, yes. I just at the end of the day, what you need to do is find t. Yeah, yes. In as much as any step you are taking is logical, you will be able to get the answer. But my interest now is that of my interest here is, so my interest here is what happened when you uh what happened when you see a question. When you see a question, you're going to solve it according to what you already know, not what you don't know. Let's move to the next question. Here comes the next question, and I think this one looks a bit easier. A, B, and C again. So instead of giving us names that is being difficult to pronounce, but A, B, and C did a piece of work in 6 days, for which they are paid a sum of 480 rupees. That means daily, what they earn will be 480 daily, 480 divided by 6. 480 divided by 6 is 80. So we are simply looking for the ratio that corresponds to 5. What the normal thing we do? 5 over 2,000. 4 plus 5 plus 7 is 15. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 7 is 15. 16 times 80. Again, remember that 80 divided by 8 is 10. That means 80 divided by 16, half of that same answer, which is 5. 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is, okay, 25. That's all. So this one was passed for us. Hopefully, even in the grade exam, some of these questions, those that are also is there. Okay, so thank you. Now, what we now do to me is, first, these two we have solved. Take how they solve them. Remember, don't get too excited on how questions are solved. Don't even get excited on how I solve them myself. But all my interest, all I did now uh, is to use what we already know. How can we utilize what we already know? Not so much focusing on getting the answers, but what we can do if we are the ones solving it. So thank you, and I look forward to seeing you. Okay. Oh, the 8 is in the question. Look at it. 480 divided by 6 is 80. 480 divided by 6 is 80. Have you seen it now? Yeah, because They are paid 480 for 6 days. That means per day, how much they earn per day? That's 80. So the logic is clear. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir. Yeah. You're welcome.